everyone, this is Disha here and today we are going to make a mobile information tourist bot that will recommend the tourist about which attractions or which places they should visit or which places they are interested in and they should visit. Let us look at the demonstration of this bot. For example, if I love artwork, so my bot is recommending me that I should go to visit the art gallery here. Now, let us make this type of bot using machine learning model. So let's get started. So let's get started. Open the machine learning platform. I'll mention the link below. And you can select here any option. At present I am selecting here try it now option. So now click on add a new project and name your project as, like I am naming my project as tourist info. You can name according to yourself, and since my project is going to recognize the text of the tourist, I'll select here the option of text and let us create a project. You can see your project on the screen. Click on your project and go to the train section. Now here you have to add the labels of the places you are interested in. For example, I would like to add the places like gallery or maybe a theme park, or let's say it's a museum, or anything according to yourself and according to your friends or etc. you can ask for. Now let us add the examples so that my computer or my bot can learn through the examples and recommend a better place to the tourist. So let us add the example for gallery, like if any tourist would suggest like I love paintings, or let's say I want to see artwork, or I want to go to somewhere cultural place, or any example you can add. For example, is there any gallery? Is there any art gallery nearby? Or I want to see paintings and art and craft, etc. Repeat the same process for other labels like theme park. So I want to go to any park, or I would like to go where I can play games, or I want to do something interesting and fun, or I want to go to an adventurous place, or let's say I want to do something scary and thrilled. Same for museum. So I want to go to an educational place. Oh, let's write I want to go to an educational So we are done with the example. Let's go back to our project and make our model learn. So click on train new machine learning model. Until the time it's training, let us revise what we have done till now. So I made a project and I created a training section, and in that training section I created the labels. In that labels I feeded the examples for my computer to learn the patterns and the structures of the sentences so that my bot could recommend good places to the tourist, and it will recommend good attractions nearby. So as you can see, my model is trained. Now let us go back to our project and make our project using Scratch 3. And in this, go to project templates and open the project of tourist info. So as you can see, one more additional block is appearing in my toolbox, that is my machine learning training model. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify this script because it's selecting randomly places. Let us see how. For example, if at present I am writing here, I love paint. So it's suggesting me to go to a fishing pond. I don't want to select any random place. So let us modify this script using our machine learning model. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to remove some of the blocks and add my machine learning model blocks. So from here, I'll select this. And let's broadcast the suggestion. So when I'll click a flag, my bot should ask me that what sort of things you are interested in, and then it will set the suggestion according to the label of my training section. And let us add the answer of recognizing text through label and then broadcast the suggestion message to my script of code. Now click on this sprite 1 and modify this script as well. So here, from my machine learning toolbox, I'll select here museum. Again, theme park that when I'll receive a suggestion of somewhat like theme park, my bot should message me like you would enjoy the theme park. Repeat the same process for other labels you have created. It's like art gallery. And you can create some more labels. Like here one more label is there of fishing, pond and etc. Since I have not added that label in my training section, I am not adding here or modifying this script. Now, click on the recommend sprite and let us check how my bot is working. So, write here a statement like which you have not added in your training section. So, for example, I would like to do fun activity. Let us see what my bot is recommending. So as you can see, my bot is recommending me the fun place, that is the theme park. So as you can see, my bot is functioning well using my machine learning concepts. So let us revise what we have actually done. Firstly, I trained my model by giving some of the examples. Then I made my model learn and test, and then you can see I modified the script and my model is performing well. So why we use machine learning here is because instead of stating every rule that how the theme park is there or why we should visit the theme park or etc., I stated some of the examples in my training section. My model recognized that patterns and then it is recommending well. So I hope you have understood why we are using machine learning, and I hope you understood this project. Now it's your time to make some more projects and use your creativity, use your effects and efforts.